Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a photo shoot with Sydney, our model here, at one of the parks here in Austin, Texas. It's about 6:00 p.m. in the afternoon, so we don't have as much natural light as we would like. I was hoping we get some golden hour shots, but we missed the sun by just a little bit. So we're going to do a few shots here that are going to be off-camera flash with a 16-inch beauty dish and the AD400 Pro. I'm using my Canon R5 and the 28-70. So we're starting with off-camera flash here. I've got her against some trees, and you can see the sky there. We decided to get her sitting down. I took a few photos here, and I was like, I didn't really like it. I didn't like how far forward that bush was, and it was kind of a far drop. So you don't want her to get in too far to the edge. So we decided to have her stand up instead. And get some more shots here. Something I really like about these shots is that the sky looks really dramatic in the background. Obviously, when you're using off-camera flash, you can expose for the ambient, so you can see the sky and all the detail, and use the off-camera flash to light the subject. For these next few shots, I wanted to make sure that we got some wide-angle shots with a little bit of perspective, and so what you'll see here is I had her kick her foot out towards me. Obviously her foot is going to take up a lot of the frame, but then you also have her being the subject way back. I thought that would add kind of a cool element to these shots. But what's awesome is, again, we still got the detail in the sky, all the colors, the blues, the greens, and obviously, the subject being lit or exposed correctly here. Did a few of these before we decided to move to a different area and get a different look. So next, we decided to do a few natural light shots just here on this stone area. Wanted to really focus on getting some movement shots, and so we kind of had her walk, down, looking back, kind of posing around, and just kind of playing with the scenery a little bit. And because the sun was down a little bit, it was blocked by the trees, we had some really even lighting here, so the photos came out great. The next thing we decided to do was move to a patch of sunlight that we still had. And so I said, let's get some golden hour shots. Let's really use that lighting to create some beautiful imagery. Lastly, I brought out my flash once again because we did have just a little bit of sunlight. I decided to put the flash on this side and have the sun light the back of her to get some more dramatic images. One of my favorite things to do is to shoot with off-camera flash with the light, with the sun as a backlight. And it's awesome because it does a really good job of separating her from the background. And obviously if you stop down your aperture, I'm at about 2.8 here, you can really, or f2 here, you can really get some separation, some nice bokeh in the background, but also you can still see all the detail in the sunset. So you've got that nice gold, beautiful color behind her, whilst she's still lit from the front. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you stuck this far and you'd like to learn more about how I shoot with off-camera flash, watch one of these videos where I'll walk you through step by step on how to get images like these using off-camera flash. Thanks so much for watching.